Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we will learn how to create and place multiple orders in one go. That is, basket orders in Sentinel by Zerodha. So what are basket orders? Basket order is an order type that allows you to place multiple orders at one time. It allows you to place orders in groups of scripts called baskets. The scripts can be stocks, exchange traded funds, options, and futures. The baskets can then be connected to your triggers for easy one-click execution. This can be extremely useful for multi-legged strategies such as iron condor, butterfly, and ratio spread. What this means is when any of your trigger conditions are met, an alert will be triggered and sent through the alert notification. The alert notification can be in the form of an email or a kite push. In the alert notification, you will get the option to place one-click orders in the basket, which is connected to the trigger. Now let's look at the pros and cons of basket orders. The basket order helps save time, as all the orders in the basket are placed together instead of placing each order one by one. The baskets can be created after market hours as well, but they would be triggered during the market hours when all the trigger conditions are met. Partial execution of the basket is possible. This can be dangerous sometimes, as if one or more legs of a risk-defined option strategy are not executed, the entire risk structure can be in trouble. So this is definitely not a set and forget order type and needs monitoring. A few of the scenarios where you can use the baskets feature is you can use baskets to sell your holdings based on a last traded price alert. For example, you have 3000 stocks of SBIN in your holdings and you wish to sell the stocks when the price reaches rupees 200. You can create a last traded price alert of SBIN greater than or equal to 200. You can use the baskets feature to trade F&O contracts based on the spot price. You can even create a basket with F&O spreads linked to a trigger on the spot. You can create quasi ETFs, that is, a basket of stocks and ETFs that reflect an idea. Let's understand how baskets work with a practical scenario. You trade on Nifty F&O contracts based on Nifty 50 levels. You create a last traded price alert trigger for indices Nifty 50 less than or equal to 9000. Now you can create a basket with market buy sell orders for the contracts Nifty 8000 put, Nifty 8300 put, Nifty 9700 call, and Nifty 10000 call. These four options construct an iron condor. When Nifty 50 is less than or equal to 9000, you will get the option to place the preset order in Nifty 8000 put, Nifty 8300 put, Nifty 9700 call, and Nifty 10000 call with a single click. Now let's see how this can be done. Point your browser to sentinel.zerodha.com. Click on Login. Login with Zerodha. Log in to your account using your existing credentials. The first step is to create a basket. Click on Baskets, Create Basket. Search for the script you wish to create an alert for. Select type, enter quantity, select order type, product type, and validity type, and click on Add. Scroll down to see if everything is okay with the order. Proceed to create the next order. Based on the order type you select, you may have to fill in the limit price and the trigger price fields as well. Order type is very important, as for illiquid stocks you might want to select limit and enter limit price, as if you select market and if the bid offer price is wide, it would affect your P&L calculations. Since we wish to construct an iron condor, there would be 4 orders. The final step would be to name the basket. Type in a name and click on Save. You have successfully created a basket. You can now click on it to check if everything is okay for the final time. You can edit and delete orders or add new orders to the basket you just created. The second step is to create a trigger. Click on My Triggers. In the first drop-down menu, select Trigger Type. Fill in the Search Stock field. Next, select the condition type. Enter a value. Name the trigger and link it with the basket you created in the previous step. Click Create. You can choose to either pause, edit, or delete the trigger. This completes the entire process. So when the trigger condition is met, an alert will be triggered and sent through the alert notification, where you will get the option to place a one-click order. You can either click to place the order or ignore, in case your forecast on the underlying changes. Let us look at the limitations of Sentinel by Zerodha. A basket can have a maximum of 50 instruments in it. You can create up to 200 baskets. Bracket orders, cover orders, and aftermarket orders are not supported as of now. As seen so far, basket orders have both pros and cons and have a lot of room to improve. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.